y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, this video, I'm gonna just show y'all me, I guess, speed cleaning or whatever. Of course, I'm gonna speed it up because nobody wants to watch for a very, you know, long and drawn out time or whatever. But y'all, I'm gonna just show y'all me cleaning up. Now I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the house because y'all, the house is really a wreck for real. And it's just so crazy because it's just me and baby. But through the week, we work and, you know, whatever. So we don't really care about cleaning up all day, every day. I'm just gonna keep it out of the way real. But anyway, before we get into the video, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And most definitely don't forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do. But y'all, I just wanted to show y'all my dining room as well, right? Because I want to decorate it, but I don't really know what I want to do. Of course, I know I can go on like Pinterest and stuff like that. But I don't know what to do really. And it's like a really big, nice dining room. And it's real spacious and all of that. But I'm just curious about what I can really do to bring a little bit of life to it. I'm going to show y'all. So, of course, I showed y'all my table a while back. Real pretty table. Love the chrome and the glass and then the blue. Absolutely love that. We do have a small deep freeze in the corner. Honey, we never took the Christmas tree down because for what? It's in a perfect area, out of the way, and that's the color scheme. I think I'm going to add a little bit of green in it because of the colors in the living room. Well, really the accent chair in the living room is got green in it. So I'm thinking about adding green. This is baby's little arcade game, just kind of out the way. Now, on this wall, he is going to get, I think, 2 more of these right here. Because as of right now, baby does not have baby doesn't have a man cave, and we don't have a basement in this home. But y'all, I'm definitely working on getting like another home, and I know it's crazy. Hold on. Okay, so I know it's crazy because we literally we've been in this home for a little bit over a year, but this is definitely a starter home because I have to have like my dream closet, and then I definitely want like a pool. So this is definitely a starter home. I love the home and it is real pretty and all of that, but it's just not the dream home, if you will. So I got some things going. Of course, I know it's gonna cost more money. I don't think we want nothing like freshly built or nothing like that. Well, like custom built, I should say, because I'm not really picky. I just got a couple of things that I want, and baby just wants like a man cave or whatever. So it's really not gonna be that hard for us to find a home that's already built with the things that we want. But then again, who knows, honey, if we go big and get a house built, I don't know. But as of right now, I don't think that's in our plans. So I'm just, you know, I'm just chit-chatting with y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all the living room too, y'all, because it is a mess. Y'all, this is washing clothes and putting them on the couch. And don't judge us, judge your mammy. So yeah, and that's the chair right there I was talking about with the green in it. So we may put some green in the Christmas tree. But y'all, I got a couple of dishes to wash in the kitchen. And of course, just clean up the couch. It's not extremely bad, but that's a lot of like clothes and stuff like that that need to be folded up because they're already washed. And then I am washing clothes as well. Our room is literally just needs to be like swept and mopped. Baby said he's gonna do the bathrooms because y'all hate doing the bathrooms, but I would do the kitchen in a heartbeat. Really, I'll clean up any and everything. I hate the bathrooms. So baby is gonna do both bathrooms. I'm washing clothes and I'm watching some videos on TV, cause y'all know I love to see me girl on the big screen. But so yeah, that's really what's going on. I just want to give y'all a little bit of what we doing today. So that's really what's going on. And no, I do not have no hair on. I have my real hair, honey, in a little ball. But y'all know, honey, I'm gonna put something on this head. But I'm about to play the music and just let y'all watch me fold up these clothes and get this living room together. So yeah, that's what's going on. Let me put y'all on the tripod and we're gonna get it going. So I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it. You can get it. You can get it.
on niggas. Skirt up on niggas. Skirt down, you acting like me. Acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value. Give me another hour or two. I'll war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you prove better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love. Long as we got, should never give you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got some fetish. You got some problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches. Don't know these features. Big dirt on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. They did a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me like my side of the road. That's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me out, you don't want no one beside you. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. That's the distance, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I could feel you. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch you in a week.
Long as we got
Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it.